Scoring goals at will, Trivante Stewart is putting life in the attack of Mount Pleasant Academy, who are aiming for their best season in top flight action. 22-year-old Trivante Stewart is making the headlines in the Jamaica Premier League. The Mount Pleasant Academy striker has so far hit the back of the net 13 times to be the top goal scorer so far this season. Christopher Scott caught up with the former Innswood and Charles Smith High School student at training to find out what his mindset is this season.
Oh, my mindset getting this season is put in enough work and achieve an aim that I set up, 25 goals, and try my best and work hard, see how best I can achieve it. Hard work is a part of my game. I work hard on the field, off it, and my teammates motivate me the most and push me every day. Say, Cash, work hard, I work hard, I work harder. So, hard work is my key, my game, more than any other striker in the league.
Did you expect to progress this fast in terms of your maturity on the field? Do you think it's an environmental change that did you good or made you a better player? What do you think it was down to in terms of your football maturity?
For me, Mount Pleasant just give me a chance, focus more, have a better mindset. Especially the team that have around me, like I have Skip that are Richie, Mariso, Sole, Topi, see Nicky Daly and Bygrave come join. My dog. There are some of the teammates that motivate me and push me to do better. So it's not like me alone do it. Teammate them and a couple of friends help me reach right now.
Do you think that coming to a new parish, coming to a new team, to a new environment might prepare you for something bigger in terms of, international recognition or extending your professional career internationally?
For me, I think so, yes, because the reason why most players don't move in a new environment because they never left them comfort zone. But for me, my comfort zone never a best spot for me because I'm a hard-working player. I'm comfortable so that I'm not going to work hard enough to where I want. So I come out of my comfort zone, come in a different environment, come work hard, eat goal. So yes, Mount Pleasant was a good move for me further my career.
So, Tapa coming in, new coach, new tactics, new style, and you are somebody that coming with a different style and attitude. What has coach done to make you so comfortable in this club and in this parish and in this setting?
Honestly, when coach come here, it was my biggest challenge because always I push me and say, Cash, come work hard, you can do better. It's not like you can't do better. So it's been a rough pre-season for me with coach because always on my back say, work hard. If you take a one breathe up on the field, I say, call me out, Cash, go, work hard. So for me, coach come here, come help motivate me the most in every way because he not just come and watch me. I go halfway and let me go. If I go halfway and call up my name, go harder. Them always push me.
Let me take you back to a game. I know a game that is bittersweet for you against Mullines United, your former team. So talk to me about your mindset before, during, and after that game against your former club.
For me, knowing I'm coming against Mullines United, I have a lot of friends there, know me good. So for me, I say them all come about me in that game. So me have to do the best. I have to focus. Now I say me go rush it and say I want to score upon them. But play the role the coach put me on every play. I got better my teammate them. So more focus on give my team a win and have a mindset and know say me now put it say me I come prove on them because I team me I come from. More I say me I come work hard, make my teammate them happy and the coach overall. But ever have a good mindset going against Mullines because honestly I have said to myself more than one time half a score.
Is there a place where you've always wanted to play, a team you've always wanted to play on, even a teammate you've always wanted to play with?
I'll say we have team, I figure when I want to go and players that I want to play with. That be players like Ronaldo before him retire, Mbappe, even Messi. You're playing with a legend. So it'll be one of the best time of my life.
Is there some communication between you and the former Arnett and Charlie Smith coach?
Honestly, from I left Charlie, I never really speak back with Jerome Wade. But most people speak to him like him say, see me a play and say, boy, that my boy Stewart, my can't be him come out. But when I hear him smile, because honestly, a good coach, good coach. But from I left school, I'm blessed if I ever see him back. I never see him back yet or get in contact with him. I see the assistant coach and more like the manager I used to manage when I got Charlie, but I never spoke back to him when I left school.